Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're diving into Hailuo AI, a revolutionary video generation tool that transforms text and images into captivating videos in minutes. This video is split into timestamps, so if you want to skip to a specific part, feel free. What is Hailuo AI? Hailuo AI is an innovative platform developed by Minimac, designed to simplify video creation using advanced AI technology. It allows users to generate high-quality videos from text prompts or static images, making it ideal for creators, educators, and businesses looking to enhance their digital storytelling. What is Hailuo AI doing? Hailuo AI is primarily focused on automating video content creation. It offers features like text-to-video conversion, image-to-video animation, and customizable avatars and style. The platform supports multiple languages and provides realistic voiceovers, making it versatile for global audience. Hailuo AI's AI-driven creativity ensures visually cohesive output that reflect the nuances of user inputs. Price. Hailuo AI offers both free and premium plans. The free version allows users to explore basic features without upfront cost. For more advanced functionalities, such as higher video resolutions and faster rendering times, the premium plans start at $9.99 per month. Users can also access Hailuo AI through platforms like Merlio, which bundles multiple AI tools under one subscription. How to use Hailuo AI? 1. Access the platform. Visit the Hailuo AI website. 2. Input your prompt, enter a detailed text description, or upload images to serve as references for your video. 3. Customize your video. Adjust settings like style themes, background music, and visual effects to match your creative vision. 4. Generate video. Click the generate button and let Hailuo AI create your video in minutes. 5. Download and share. Preview your video, make any necessary adjustments, and download it for use across various platforms. That wraps up our review of Hailuo AI. If you're curious about anything I didn't cover, drop your question in the comments. I'll make a video just for that. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI insights. Thanks for watching.